The automotive industry is widely recognized as one of the fastest growing and ever-evolving sectors globally. As the demand for modern technologies such as hybrid and electric vehicles continues to rise, it has become essential to have access to accurate and readily available technical training for these emerging technologies. The lack of knowledge in these areas is often cited as a key reason workshops are forced to turn away business. As automotive professionals, what can we do to ensure we stay up to date and relevant in this fast-changing world? Identifix is excited to announce the launch of Direct Hit Pro Academy, an expert-led training video library of 350 plus professionally produced training videos available in both English and Spanish, covering a wide range of topics, from internal automotive fundamentals to the very latest in advanced technologies. Seamlessly navigate from the confirmed fixes and hotline archives to this new essential learning resource at the click of a button. You'll find learning engaging and effortless through this series of skillfully produced videos featuring advanced 3D graphics and expert trainers, making it easier than ever to absorb and retain new information. Each video averages 8 minutes in length. Training can take place at work, at home, or anywhere you have a device and internet connection, making learning and upskilling through Direct Hit Pro Academy convenient and completely flexible to your schedule. It's as if you have a virtual master tech available 24/7. In the automotive industry, everything moves fast. Direct Hit Pro Academy provides an excellent opportunity for you and your staff to remain in the driver's seat and avoid being left behind. So upgrade now to ensure that your shop remains at the forefront of industry trends, and your team has the knowledge and skills necessary to provide your customers with the best possible experience. Don't let the competition pass you by. Keep your game sharp and maximize your automotive service potential with Direct Hit Pro Academy.